Hello everyone. Finding the square of a number or the multiplication of two similar number is usually considered as a hard problem, or you have to remember the square. So for instance, from 1 to 10 everybody knows the square of a number. So after that it becomes a little bit difficult to remember or to calculate. So I'll give you a very simple technique so you can calculate the square of a number. So if you're multiplying 11 into 11, which is the square of 11, that is 121. How do we get 121? Is by multiplying the second digit. So 1 cross 1, that gives you 1. There is no carry, so we write down this 1 here, and a carry is 0. You add this 0, the carry, to the second digit of the number, and then you add it to the number itself, so that gives you 12, and then you write that 12 in front of the 1, so that gives you 121. Now similarly, if you want to find out the square of 12, you multiply the second digit of the number into itself, so that is 2 cross 2 gives you 4. We write down the 4. There is no carry, so the carry is 0. Now you add the carry 0 to the number, the second digit 2, and you add it to the number itself, 12. That gives you 14. You write down 14 in front of the 4, so that gives you 144, which is the square of 12. Similarly, if you want to calculate the square of 13, again multiply the second digit of the number with itself. 3 cross 3 is 9. The carry is again 0. You write down the 9 over here, and then you add the 0 to the second digit, which is 3. So and then add it to the number itself, so it gives you 16. You write down 16 here. Now again you can do the same thing with the 14 square. So the second digit 14 into 4 into 4 gives you 16. You can write down the 6 here, and 1 is carry, so we take the carry here. You add the carry, again 1, to the number, the second digit 4, and then you add it to the number itself, which gives you 19. You write down 19 before 16, so that gives you 196. If you want to find the square of 25, again multiply 5 into 5, gives you 25. We will take 5 here, and 2 is the carry one. You add the 2 carry to the number to 5, which gives you 7, and then you add it to the number 15, so it will give you 22. Write down 22 before 5, that gives you the square of 15. If you want to find out the square of 16, again multiply 6 into 6, gives you 36. You will take 6, and 3 is the carry. You add the 3 carry to the number 6, that gives you 9, and then you add it to the number 16, which gives you 25. You just write down 25 before 6, and that gives you 256, which is the square of 16. If we go to 17, you multiply 7 into 7, which gives you 49, so you will take the 9, and the carry is 4. You add the carry to the number 7, which gives you 11, and then you add it to the number 17, which gives you 28. So just write down 28 before 9, gives you 289, which is the square of 17. Similarly, if you want to calculate the 18, then 8 times 8 is 64. We will take 4 from here, and 6 is carry. You can add the 6 carry to the 8, and that gives you 14, and then you add it to the 18 itself, which gives you 32. You write down 32 before 4, and that gives you 324, which is the square of 18. Similarly, you can calculate the square of 19 by multiplying 9 into 9, which gives you 81. You will take 1 from here, and 8 is a carry. You add the carry 8 with the 9, which gives you, it's by mistake here, so it's 17 and 19. It should be 8, not 9. This one should be 8, not 9. My mistake. So you add 9 into 8 gives you 17, and you add 19 to 17 gives you 36. You write down 36 before 1, that gives you 361, which is the square of 19. And similarly, the number 20 square is very simple. You multiply 2 into 2, and then you add just put the zeros over there. So similarly for the 10 cross 10 is, or the square of a 10 is, you just write down 1 into 1, multiply 1 into 1, and then you add 2 zeros to it. put 2 zeros. Similarly, if you want to calculate 20 cross 20 or the square of 20, then you multiply 2 into 2. This 2 into 2, and then you put these 2 zeros over here. If you want to calculate the square of 30, so if 3 into 3, that will give you 9, and then you put 2 zeros. Thank you very much.